Rooky Outwits the Scarecrow. Once upon a time, Rooky was a crow not much popular in the animal kingdom. However, he knew he was one of the largest perching birds. He was also one of the cleverest birds. Rooky was proud of those qualities. Rooky used to get up early in the morning, for he believed in the old adage, the early bird catches the worm. But he was not really looking for worms for his breakfast. Instead, Rooky searched for all kinds of food. Rooky, unlike his colleagues, boldly strayed into villages and towns nearby where human beings lived. Ordinary villagers did not take any notice of him. However, farmers did not like his arrival and set traps to catch him. But Rooky was too smart for them. He avoided all traps and ignored scarecrows farmers put out to stop him coming. One day, Rooky sat on a scarecrow and was keeping his vigil on the farm. "Are you not afraid of me, Rooky?" asked the scarecrow. "Of course not. I am a crow and you're a scarecrow. I think we belong to the same family," said Rooky jokingly. "Please don't laugh at me. Although I'm a scarecrow, I don't belong to the crow family. Unlike you, I can't fly. I am standing in this position for the past so many months," lamented the scarecrow. "The trouble is that you are neither a man nor an animal. That's why you are being so ill-treated by men," said Rooky. "What should I do to improve my lot in life?" asked the scarecrow. "Try to get out of this field. Even if you are here, birds like me come and feed on the farm produce. You're just standing there and serve no purpose," said Rooky. "Now I understand. Nobody had told me earlier that I did not render any service to my master. Please tell me where I can go from here?" asked the scarecrow. "Just follow me," said Rooky, flying towards the animal kingdom. Rooky flew fast and furiously. Poor Scarecrow also ran after him. After some time, Rooky started flying across a river. The Scarecrow too tried to cross the river, but the river carried the Scarecrow downstream, and he soon disappeared. Rooky returned to his nest, planning to make another visit to the farm on the following day. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.